Oh shoot, she's still home. We better go to the Nelly Salon. I don't know what I was about to say. I'm trying to rhyme. A song. Come on. Show. Damn, I should have started the car when I was in the house. That would have been great. That would have been awesome. That would have been great. I need to go to Ross or TJ Maxx or Marshalls or whatever and try to find different colors of them little snuggle extra large. Cause baby, I love them things. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. Love them, love them, love them, love them, love them. Okay. Y'all, I need to start wearing my glasses for real. So if y'all want to see me with my glasses, don't say, where's your glasses? Huh, right here. They're right here. Ladies, make sure y'all drink y'all chlorophyll. If y'all see this bottle, I mean, y'all always see this bottle because I always take it everywhere I go. It's like a child on my hip. It's going with me. But just know it's got water in it and chlorophyll. Ain't no secrets. Great benefits. Ladies. Yeah. Okay. Well, we about to get on the way. We about to be on the way to the nail salon. We made it to the nail salon. Oh, I'm walking like I'm drunk. What's going on? Oh, they did a raffle for Christmas. I don't even know if I won or not because I don't even follow them on Facebook. I think I'm going to stick with my crack gel that I always get. Well, that I got the first time. This right here. Oh, but that's cute too. Like, I see something new every time I come in here. I think I'm gonna try this. What y'all think? Or the crack gel. I don't know. Hi. Can I get a fill-in? Okay. Y'all, while I'm waiting, I came next door to a Chinese place to order me some shrimp fries. And I was like, can y'all bring it to me because I don't want to lose my spot in line. Please. Yes. So is it two different kinds, or do y'all do like that for every other nail? How does it work? Like, is this just one and this is just a plain color, or?
Yeah, I do the
Okay.
white for the base and glow on top and design like that.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so I want to do. I want to do 6. I want to try 6. Yeah. Thank you. I went in the nail salon, came out the nail salon, and it's dark outside. But I don't even know if y'all can see it that way for real. Let's turn it around. Oh, still can't see. Oh, you know what? You know what? Okay, there we go. It's giving cow. It's giving moo. It's giving, yeah. Yeah.